This is the old Illinois State Police Headquarters building. Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land! For today's adventure on this somewhat windy day, we've come to Pontiac, Illinois to check out the police on a motorcycle shadow sculpture on Route 66 at the old State Police Headquarters. The Motor Police, patrolling Route 66. The Illinois State Police was formed in 1922 to protect motorists. 20 officers patrolled the state on surplus World War I Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Radio-equipped cycles revolutionized communications in 1930s. The ISP, Illinois State Police, shifted towards squad cars and ended motorcycle patrol in 1949. Looks like it came back around the early 2000s. They brought back motorcycles. This is the old Illinois State Police Headquarters building. If you are able to view this building from the air, it is in the shape of a handgun. Look at that old glass. They don't make anything like glass like that anymore, that's for sure. The old retro glass right there. Gotta love it. Kind of see inside a little bit there. This is the front entrance. Let's see if anybody's there. This phone works. Phone does not work. So it kind of shows you there, and you can see how the building, it kind of looks specifically designed to look like a Derringer pistol. This building was built in 1941, and it closed in 2003 when a new headquarters was built here in Pontiac. It is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. You can kind of see it there. This is upside down, but it does look like the shape of a pistol. It's a view from the back side. It's a shame with that glass broken out there. People and the graffiti, I don't understand of this respect. I mean, I know it was a police headquarters, but still, it's a historic building. That's the former Illinois State Police building, a historic structure here in Pontiac, Illinois. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure or any of the adventures in TV land, you can help support this channel by going to either Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon and becoming a member. Come on, become a member or make a donation there. You could also hit the super like button down below. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.